Hey guys, Satej here and you are watching TechAvid. So OnePlus 7 Pro leaks and rumors are here. To begin with, the display will be smooth. What do I mean by that? It's Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED 90Hz display with curved screen. So what's impressive is 90Hz display that will surely make using phone experience way better, and this is something new for OnePlus devices, as since their inception they have been giving a 1080p 60Hz display. So a Quad HD Plus and 90Hz will bring a noticeable difference. So the 90Hz display making its way to the market will bring a wave of next generation phones with this refresh rate. Thumbs up to OnePlus for this upgrade. The curved screen, as much as it looks good, many don't like it because of the edges getting touched whenever unintended. There are not a lot of smartphones that provide a higher refresh rate. The only other providing it is a Razer phone, and it's 120Hz, which is silky smooth. I know 90Hz is less, but it's more than most of the devices in the market can provide. Tipster Ishan Agarwal, who claims that this souped up device will also offer improved haptic feedback thanks to a new vibration motor. He also claims the device will sport a 4000 mAh battery with 30 watt warp charge support with USB 3.1, which is an improvement over last year's OnePlus 6T. It will also be the firm's first handset to pack a triple camera setup. According to rumors, it comprises of 48 megapixel plus 20 megapixel plus 16 megapixel lenses, which looks promising, and on the front you get a pop-up selfie camera for which the details are still unknown. Other features include 8 GB of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and Google's Android Pie OS, and a dual speaker. At last, OnePlus is becoming a true flagship with all these features. One more thing guys, OnePlus 7 Pro variants will pack a Snapdragon 855 chipset, equipping this phone with 5G support thanks to Qualcomm's built-in X50 modem. So that means connectivity will be faster as well. In addition to that, you get all the basic things such as sensors, Wi-Fi 6 and such other things. All these upgrades will come at a cost, and I presume it will be costlier as you get all these features. It will cost somewhere around 48,000 rupees, and not to mention they have special edition which is much more costlier than the normal one. The launch is scheduled on 14th May, so within a month you will see the device. For now, this is it guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Peace out.